I taught at Webster University for 36 years. One of my courses, of course, is conducting. How do you conduct an orchestra? So the students would come and conduct, and I would give them assignments. And I noticed before I retired that when I would tell a student, conduct this piece and tell me what key it's in, and they would say, it's in G major. And I would say, no, it's in G major. And the student would say, that's what I said. And I wonder why I missed that, and I didn't hear the ch of the G major. That little high sound that's an aspirate, if you will, S's and ch, things like that. So I began to notice that my hearing was beginning to get pretty poor. It became obvious to me that I needed some help and I needed a good instrument, but I didn't need just your basic hearing aid because I needed to have a refined instrument that would allow me to hear pitches and so forth in an orchestra. I could still conduct. And so I finally ended up going to Melissa Lowe, she's part of the SLUCare team, for a hearing test, and she found that I indeed was missing a lot of the highs.
He was basically on the verge of retiring because he said, I don't know what to do. If I don't do something now, I'm gonna have to retire. And so we sat down and we talked to him. We discussed the different levels of technology, the different styles of hearing aid, and decided that this particular company would be the best for him. I
was concerned about the possibility of having the ear passage, the ear canal, completely blocked. I did want to hear the middle range pitches undistorted or unamplified, if you will. I didn't want something that would completely block my ear canal. And indeed, what I have is nice. It's a little open web, and inside that open web is a teeny little microphone, if you will, or allows you the sound to get better and into your ears. It's quite comfortable. You don't know you have them on. I have to say I was surprised happily about how much quality there is in these instruments and how small they are and all the nanotechnology that allows these instruments, which you don't see in my ears. The pickup microphone is in the back. It looks like the back of my glasses. I was surprised, and happily so, about how fine they were.
He has just done phenomenal with the hearing aids. He's been extremely happy. He came back and he said that basically we saved him from having to forcibly retire because he wasn't ready, but he felt like he couldn't do his job the way he should be doing it. And now that he has his hearing aids, he said he can hear every instrument, and it's just beautiful.
I was treated so very well by Dr. Lowe and the staff there. I've had a couple follow-ups, and they also treated me very well, and it's a very pleasant experience. If vanity is a question, and it was one of those things that people say, oh, you're going to have hearing aids, and what are you worried about? What are your feelings? Well, I wear glasses, and so do many, many, many people wear glasses, and many people wear them for stylistic purposes. And glasses are there to help you see, and hearing aids are there to help you hear. So there should be no reason in the world for anybody to be afraid or embarrassed or concerned about having an instrument to help you hear when you reach a certain age. I would just recommend that people don't put it off. You don't put off seeing better with glasses, so don't put off needing hearing instruments if you need them. It's just a good thing to do.